Let's take a look at some stress management techniques. Take a second and think of, how do you respond to stress? What are your techniques? Many times I get blank stares by students. They don't know. Here are some things to keep in mind. Keep a journal. It can be electronic or it can be handwritten. Something that's going to allow you to get thoughts off of your mind. Be sure to eat healthy, well-balanced meals, breakfast in particular. Many times when we are stressed out, we skip breakfast. Why? Because we did not get quality sleep the night before. It's a cycle, folks. You're not getting to bed early enough because you're staying up playing video games, talking on the phone, IMing, Facebooking, whatever it might be within your activities at night, and you're not getting to bed on time. So you're waking up late, you're skipping breakfast, and you're heading right to your class. That can be a very stressful occurrence that takes place. Stay positive. Be sure that you're eliminating and avoiding alcohol, tobacco, drugs, caffeine. A lot of these substances can aggravate stress, and we're looking to bring the stress levels down. Be sure that you find an effective time and place to do your work. Maybe you're a schedule person. Be sure to keep a to-do list on hand. That allows you to keep yourself organized. And if all else fails, remember to take care of the basics. Eat healthy meals. Be sure to regularly physically exercise. Make sure that you're getting quality sleep. And be sure that you have a healthy outlet, whether that be talking to someone or if that's writing your thoughts down on paper or typing them down on your computer.